Natural energy resources are essential for the survival of humanity on this earth. Their needs are increasing day by day, so undiscovered areas must be searched to find these resources. I completely agree with this point of view, because our lives are dependent on it.
On the one hand, there are various reasons for people to disagree with the discovery of this form of bioenergy in the far places. First and foremost, environmental protection is their priority. Ecosystems must be disturbed by the emission of carbon dioxide from machines that are used for digging in unknown places. In addition, there is a risk of damage to the natural habitat of the species at those points. For example, research projects by companies in Sahara Desert have become a cause of endangered dragon lizard destruction. So humans must develop alternate form like electricity to avoid these negative efforts.
On the other hand, there are a number of benefits of finding new oil and gas points. To begin, whenever a country finds them, its economy develops at an indicative rate. For example, Saudi Arabia has become one of the richest companies after digging huge oil wells. Another major advance of reaching an undiscovered area is the chance to discover the truth hidden in this world. There is a possibility of finding fossils in these places where people have never reached before. Therefore, it is the responsibility of concerned authorities to create new avenues for discovery for companies, because more number of these resources means more industries, which can be a way to provide job opportunities. In conclusion, the tendency of using unrefined oil and coal for fuel needs is increasing. That is why undiscovered areas must be opened. Personally, I believe that it is not only beneficial for us but also for our coming generations.